we've got a lot of area to work with. I want to get a dresser in our bedroom. Just showed up. Square makeup mirror. I love. That's no bueno. My favorite dusters ever. Hey guys, Charlani here. Welcome to part 1 of our bedroom makeover. I'm thinking this is gonna be a 3-parter. Today, we're just going to clean, de-junk, kind of get organized of what's going to happen over these next few days. I'm also gonna explain the game plan, share with you the vision of what I want this room to be, and then part 2 is going to be painting these walls, hanging curtains, building furniture, possibly even flipping some furniture, or not flipping, refurbishing some furniture. And then part 3 is going to be putting it all together. I like to start with a clean slate. I like to clean everything, de-junk it, and then kind of tear it apart. I just think it's easier that way. Also, when this room is de-junked, I'm gonna be able to see what we're gonna keep, what we're gonna incorporate back in here. But we have some furniture here. Let me just show you what we're working with. This is our master bedroom. It is a really good sized space for sure. So we've got a lot of area to work with, but we gotta switch this up. We've got a lot of areas that just need to be de-junked, especially this area here. So this is where I put my makeup on. This vanity table, I absolutely love. It's actually my daughter's. She left it here when she moved out a couple years ago, and I kept it. But we're gonna go ahead and give that back to her because she has a makeup room. So she'll be able to use that. I have something coming that's a lot smaller, that's gonna be something that I'm gonna be able to stick on a desk. Now we are going to give my daughter also this brown sofa. It's in really good condition. I just don't think that a sofa in our bedroom is necessary, because this is what happens to it. It's a collect-all for things. We've got pillows here, and these are the ones that have been on our bed for a while. They're also the kind of just like the regular fill, not the down. So I'm hoping that soon I'll be able to figure out a way, and I'm sure there is a way to put a zipper in here, and that way we can reuse these somewhere else, because I think they're so pretty. Like the pattern is really beautiful, but I want them to be down, kind of like how these are. So this project was so much fun, and I love these pillows that we made. And here is what they look like up against our headboard. It's going to look absolutely beautiful. We're gonna paint this wall. I went and picked up the paint yesterday. So I was debating on keeping this color, just the original, which is a lot creamier than the white, but we're going for white. My vision is that we are going to paint the walls all white, and we're going to decorate, warm up with the warm, earthy tones, moody vibe. We just got these uplights in our trees, and I love the silhouette it creates up here. So I just think bringing the white into the walls is just gonna make that silhouette even better. Now, we also are going to redo this whole situation. We got a new TV. It's been about a year. That's how long it's been since we really redecorated this room. And obviously you can see that it's bigger than the TV we had here, which is why this technically needs to move up like a whole foot, if not even a little bit more. But we're going to switch things around completely. So this is gonna be an area that's getting a makeover too. Here are our curtain rods. We're gonna put curtains all the way around, and they're white curtains, which are right here. So obviously I just pinned them up there because I was wanting to just make sure that my steamer was able to get the lines off. You can see it's wrinkled here, but the steamer I have works really, really well. And I was also just making sure that these were going to be long enough, which they are. So that makes me super happy. So we're gonna have a black iron rod, white curtains coming down. This wall is going to be white, and I think the contrast with a darker desk, like my makeup table, it's gonna look absolutely gorgeous. This has kind of just become a little bit of a throw-all for all the extra things. And like I said, we have not moved furniture around, redecorated in here for quite some time. So it's due for sure. We are going to get 2 new nightstands that are coming. So I'm gonna find some other place for this bookcase and these bookcases right here, because I also have a dresser that I want to put right here and maybe do something a little bit different. So we've got a lot to do here. I am so excited and I'm so ready to get this done. I have been planning this for the last several weeks, so it's time to dive in. So let's go ahead and start cleaning everything up. This is a whole other situation that we will tackle another time, but I actually have a bag of clothes to go to donation, but I started to kind of go through because I don't technically really need this rack. I also have the baskets underneath in here, but I want to get a dresser in our bedroom, so I think that's going to help. Rob has a dresser here. That's all his stuff, but I need something. So we do. This whole situation needs to be redone. Video coming at some point. How exciting that this also just showed up. Look at square makeup mirror. Looks like this. I want to go ahead and open it. This is a perfect size. I love. We are definitely making progress just by taking out this situation. That opened it up so much. I am going to take all of these books and we're gonna put them in our guest room. Don't judge me right now, but I have not dusted in here in probably 5 weeks, maybe even 6, because I knew this makeover was coming. But OMG, when you open the blinds, this is, oh my gosh, I'm so glad we're doing this because that's no bueno. These are my favorite dusters ever, and I'm just surface cleaning because I can't go on knowing this is here. Look it. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. Okay, I mean, obviously we're gonna do a much better job, but I can't go on. Like, I need to fix this a little bit. guys, I did that. I just did that. Scooched it all the way out, even got it through this door. We had to angle all the things. This is the dresser. We are in the middle of redoing, so I'm actually gonna finish sanding up this top, and then I haven't decided if this is a stained piece or if I'm gonna paint the bottom black and just stain the top. I haven't decided yet. We're gonna get everything in the room kind of set up, and then I'm gonna decide what coloring I want this to be. And then here is the desk. You can see there's drawers here. So this needs a lot of work. Like, I'm gonna need to strip the paint off, but it is solid wood. It is so heavy. So this is what I'm gonna make my makeup table. These were the books that were on Rob's side of the bed. Some of those are his, most of those are his, some are mine, but we're just gonna keep it in this general area until he needs them again. All right, I've got this side of the room is all dejunked, cleaned out. I'm actually gonna leave all of this up for now, just because I'm unsure how far we're gonna get tomorrow. My priority is gonna be painting this wall here and then painting all of this right here. So that's what I'm kind of gonna focus on. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and start clearing off everything here, going through these baskets here, all of that, and then go through and clean off, dust off all of this stuff right here. We are all cleaned up. So all of like the decor stuff, I just kind of stacked over here so I can pull from it, because this is gonna be the very last wall that I do. I'm not even sure it's gonna be in this series, but I've got everything over here just kind of chilling, waiting for when I need it. So we took the pictures off of this wall. Tomorrow, my goals are getting this wall painted, moving some of these furnitures out. We do have the bookcases. When I say furnitures, I mean that bookcase, the nightstands. We're gonna switch out the lamps, but we have two nightstands. They're actually dressers. They're oversized dressers, so they should be pretty long. I wanna say they're like 3 feet long, but I feel like with such a large bed and headboard that we needed something substantial. So we have 2 of those coming tomorrow. So we've got a lot to do, but we did so much. Cleaned out all of the baskets, all of the corners, everything here is cleaned out. Just the things that we are gonna keep, I did put back in the baskets, but that basket is empty. I cleaned out all of these baskets as well. This is just some of Rob's extra stuff. Those 2 baskets back there are empty. So yeah, we have gotten so much done. This just feels better. I am not gonna lie, you guys, I am tired. Earlier today, I was thinking, oh, maybe I'll get to, paint 1 wall. No. It is late. I am done for the night. I may put some paint stripper on the top of that desk. I haven't decided yet, but tomorrow is going to be the big day when I think it's more of a transformation. Definitely gonna get that wall done. Gonna work on painting this wall. So Stay tuned. We have a lot more coming, but it feels so good to have gone through all the things, clean the floors. Tomorrow, when we come in, we're gonna have to clean all the baseboards, the walls, and then get them all prepped up for paint. And it's gonna also feel so good, I think, to get just a brighten up, right? Fresh white paint. I think it's gonna be amazing. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for cleaning and dejunking with me. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.